Let's go to school. Let's check out BizRise.io and see what we have inside. My name is Jack and I'm the founder and creator. We're doing different intros and hotkeys. Join us. I'll teach you how to do this on Streamlabs Desktop Ultra. All right. So inside of Skool, this comes with the Skool Community AI Assist setup. I have a community. I want to set it up efficiently. So I have AI do that. Why? It's more effective. It's faster. It's accurate. And you just a little tweak here and there. I have a full plan to set up a Skool community. When you do your community assist plan in BizRise.io, this will be inside for you to use. All right. You get a target market, a niche, nachache. You get some problems currently in the industry that you can turn into opportunities for you to monetize. It's going to ask you what's working, what you're doing well, and how to, and maybe suggest some improvements on ways to get better and really monetize your community. It's going to provide value adds, give you offers for a free offer ideas. You're going to get pricing structure ideas, which is important. You can price your community in multiple different ways. Monthly subscriptions, you can do one-time purchases, how to create a sense of urgency around your community. And it's going to give you bonus offer ideas, course description, great course description, and a course outline. And you can do all of this. Like AI will generate this, and it's based off of Gemini inside of BizRise.io in about 10 minutes. So in about 10 minutes, you can optimize the process of having your Skool community set up and ready to rock and roll to monetize your skills, hobbies, and interests.